Begin by loosening the bolts with the 6mm hex wrench. Be sure to have your meter in a secure vise. We recommend either putting wood or rags on both ends of the meter to avoid marking it up. Once the bolts are broken free, remove the meter from the vise and continue to extract the bolts. Once all the bolts have been removed, you'll want to put 2 bolts back into the meter across from each other. Engaging them only 2 to 3 turns, then using a hammer, gently tap on both bolts to separate the 2 pieces. Never use a screwdriver or other tool to pry the housing apart, as you risk damage to the meter housing. Once the body of the meter is open, begin by removing the O-ring. Insert a new O-ring and dispose of the old one. Then, carefully remove the spacers and gears by hand from the cavity. To reassemble the meter, place in a vertical orientation, then insert the spacers first, followed by the helical gears. If installed properly, the gears should be able to spin with ease. To put the housing pieces back together, line up the pinholes and gently press together, making sure there's a nice tight seal. Put the meter back in the vice grip and use a torque wrench to tighten to the proper torque specification.